So how to change your clock font and color on your lock screen for iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max or Plus or any kind of iPhone actually. Uh, Lock my skin. This is my current clock, so I want to change it. So for that you need to press and hold your skin and you need to go your customize and you need to press on clock and then you can see different option. Suppose different option, you can make it smaller or larger. You can change the color gradient actually. You can also set color gradient. Once done, then you need to go back and press on done to set it. Go back and lock my skin and turn my skin again. It's already changed. So this is how you can easily change your clock font and color on your lock screen on your iPhone device. Hope you enjoyed. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.